Once you get past 10 and get into the larger cardinal numbers, they are formed by the combination of the numbers you already know. So for instance, 11 and 12 have two different options. For 11, one can either say Ahad Asar or Ashtei Asar in the masculine nouns, or Ahat Esrei or Ashtei Esrei for feminine nouns. For 12, one can say for masculine nouns either Sheneim Asar or Shenei Asar, or for feminine nouns Sheteim Esrei or Shetei Esrei. Now because these are 11 and 12, a 1 and a 2 as the final digit, these do not show gender discord, but the form of the number is masculine for masculine nouns and feminine for feminine nouns. Once you get past 12, 13, 14, 15, all the way up to 19, gender discord again shows up. So for 13, with a masculine noun, you would say Shalosha Asar, using a feminine form of the number. For a feminine noun, you would say Shalosh Esrei, using a masculine form of the number 3. 14, Arba'a Asar, or Arba Esrei. 15, Chamisha Asar, or Chamesh Esrei. Note that in each of these cases you have 10 and 5. So in a sense you have 15, a tens digit and a 5. Or over here for the feminine of 14, 4 and 10. As you start needing to add to the tens digit, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc., typically the tens will be the masculine plural forms of the numbers 3 through 9. You have Shaloshim for 30, Arba'im for 40, Chamishim for 50, etc. The only exception is 20, which is the plural of Eser, 10. So 20 is Esrim. You can then combine these tens digits with the numbers 1 through 9 as necessary, linked with Vav, to make numbers like 28, 34, etc. Genesis 11:16, for instance, Arba u'shloshim shana. So 4 and 30 years. In other words, 34 years. Or Genesis 11:24, Tesha v'esrim shana. 9 and 20 years. 29 years. As you proceed to even larger numbers, the hundreds and thousands, they are formed with either Me'ah, 100, Elef, 1,000, or Ribo, which means 10,000 or myriad. Understand that the precision of modern counting did not typically be employed once you got into the tens of thousands. It was just very, very large numbers of people. You will combine these three terms with the numbers 1 through 9 as necessary. So 100 is simply the noun me'ah, or in construct ma'at. 200 is the dual form of that noun, ma'tayim. And then 300, 400, 500, 600, etc. use the form of the number 1 through 9 and the plural of me'ah. So shalosh me'ot, 3 hundreds, etc. For the thousands, the same thing is done, but with elef. 1,000 is simply elef, the noun. 2,000 is the dual form of that noun, alpayim. 3,000, shaloshet alafim, 3,000. thousands, etc. And for 10,000s or myriads, you have either ribot or ruvava, 10,000. 20,000 is the dual ribotayim. 30,000 shalosh ribot, and then 40, 50, 60, 70,000 simply using the form of the number 3 through 9 plus the plural ribot. The masculine form of the number is used with the two of these numerals that take a feminine plural form, me'ot, hundreds, and ribot, 10,000s or myriads, will take masculine numbers to make them 200s, 300s, 400s, etc. While the feminine form of the number will be used with alafim, thousands. So to give examples of how these work out when they are all combined, consider Genesis 7:6. V'Noach ben sheish me'ot shana. And Noah, this is a verbless clause, was a son of 600 years. For a more complex number, consider Exodus 38:25. V'kesef pukudei ha'edah me'at kikar. The first part there is, and the silver of the ones who were counted of the congregation. So this is a construct phrase. Pukudah is a cow passive participle, masculine singular, that is then in construct form. So the form you would have learned for the cow passive participle of this root, pakad, would have been pukudim, but because it's in construct, pukudei. So, and the silver of all the ones counted of the congregation was ma'at kikar, 100 talents. V'elef u'shava me'ot v'chamisha v'shiv'im shekel v'shekel hakodesh. And elef, and 1,000, and then shava me'ot, 700, v'chamisha, and 5, v'shiv'im, and 70. So together all these pieces form the number 1,775. 1,705 and 70 shekels. By shekel hakodesh, a construct phrase, the shekel of the sanctuary. Or Leviticus 26:8, v'radfu mekem hamisha me'ah, me'ah mekem ruvava yirdofu. So this phrase begins with a converted perfect form, and they will pursue, from the verb radaf, to pursue or chase. So from you, this is min plus a possessive suffix, from you, hamisha, 5, will pursue, v'radafu, me'ah, 100. And me'ah mikim, and 100 men from you, ruvava, 10,000 or a myriad, they will pursue. And 100 from you will pursue 10,000. In Numbers 4:36 we have Vayehyu pukudehem lemishpachotam al payim shava me'ot v'chamishim. And it was the ones who were counted, again a cal passive participle, in this case with a possessive suffix, and it was their ones counted by their clans, verbless clause, were, and then the number, alpayim sheva me'ot v'chamishim. 2,000, the dual of Elef, sheva 700, sheva me'ot, and hamishim, the masculine plural of 5, 50. 2,750. Or from Numbers 31, Vatahi mechetzat ha'edah, and half of the congregation, and then the numerals begin, min hatzon, from the sheep, shalosh me'ot elef, 300,000s, and shaloshim elef, and 30,000, shiva alpim, 7,000, vachamesh me'ot, and 500. Altogether then, 300,000, starting here, 300,000, and 30,000, 7,000, and 500, making the numeral 337,500. Next verse, uvakar, and cattle, shisha shaloshim aleph, 6 and 30,000s. So together, 36,000 cattle. Vachomorim, and the donkeys, shaloshim elef v'chamesh me'ot, 30,000 and 500. And then finally, v'nefesh, Adam, and people, souls of men, or breath of men, shisha asar aleph, 16, this is the 6 and the 10, so 16 aleph, thousands, 16,000 people.